everyone! Sa video na to, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-add at subtract ng mixed number. Alamin din natin ang definition ng fraction, ano ang similar at ano ang dissimilar fraction at types of fraction. Okay, so let's start. Unahin muna natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng fraction. Fraction is a ratio of two numbers. So, we have parts of fraction. So, meron tayong example, 3/7. 3 ay ang numerator, 7 ay ang denominator. Ngayon naman, ang pag-aaralan natin ay types of fraction. Meron tayong tatlo. Una dito ay ang proper fraction. Pangalawa, improper fraction. Pangatlo ay mixed number. So, proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. Ibig sabihin, mas maliit ang numerator kaysa sa denominator. Ang susunod ay improper fraction. Numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas ang numerator kaysa sa denominator or equal silang dalawa. Ang susunod natin ay ang mixed number. Consists of whole number and proper fraction. Ibig sabihin, meron itong isang whole number at isang proper fraction.
Okay, we have here an example of proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. Proper fraction, example, 1/8 or 1/8, 3/11, 5/7, 10/13, and an improper fraction, example, 6/4, 9/2, 15/8, 10/3. And mixed number, example, we have 3 and 2/5, 2 and 1/3, 5 and 3/7. Ito yung focus natin. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-add at subtract ng mixed numbers with similar fraction.
So, since alam na natin kung ano ang definition and types, ngayon naman tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-add ng mixed number with similar fraction. Pag sinabi natin similar fraction, recall lang natin na ang similar fraction has the same denominators. Ibig sabihin, pareho ang kanilang denominator. Example, 1/8, 5/8, 3/8, 7/8. So, pare-pareho ang kanilang denominators. Well, the similar fractions, different denominators. Ibig sabihin, magkaiba ang denominators. Example, 2/5, 7/9, 3/8, 1/4.
Again, pag similar fractions, same denominators o pareho ang denominators. Pag dissimilar fractions, different denominators o magkaiba ang denominators.
Okay, let's start. We have number 1 example.
5 and 2/6 plus 2 and 3/6. Okay, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung dalawang proper fraction natin na 2/6 at 3/6 ay pareho ang denominator. So, meaning, similar fractions. Pag similar fractions, ang gagawin natin, i-add lang natin yung whole numbers. Okay? 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, and then the next step, add the numerators. So, ang numerator natin is 2 and 3. So, we have 2 plus 3. And then, copy denominator. Okay, we're going to copy the common denominator, which is 6. Okay, and then simplify. We have now 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then we have 6. Therefore, our final answer is 7 and 5/6. So, that is how to add or mixed numbers with similar fraction. Okay, next, let's have an example number 2. 2 and 3/12 plus 1 and 5/12. Okay, observe natin yung mixed numbers natin. Yung dalawang proper fraction natin na 3/12 at 5/12. Pareho sila ng denominator, which is 12. So, again, ang step na gagawin natin, i-add lang natin ang whole numbers, which is 2 and 1. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is 3. And then, i-add ang numerators. We're going to add the numerators, which is 3 and 5. So, now we have 3 plus 5. And then, the last step is copy the denominator. The denominator is 12. So, now we have 3 and 3 plus 5/12. Now, simplify. we have 3. 3 plus 5 is 8 over 12. Okay? So, since 8 and 12 is my common factor, okay, we need to simplify or find its lowest term. Okay, 3 and 8 over 12. To simplify, we're going to find the greatest common factor or the GCF. Okay, so to find the GCF, we're going to factor 8. Factor of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Factor ng 12, 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. And then, pipiliin natin yung same factor or yung common factor ng 8 and 12, which is, ang common factor is 2. Okay, we write 2. Another common is 2. Then, write again 2. So, now we have 2 times 2 equals 4. Mumultiply natin yung dalawang common. So, the answer is 4. Okay, so yun yung i-divide natin doon sa proper fraction natin. Then, now we have 8 over 12 divided by 4 over 4. Then, it is equal to 3, which is the whole number. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3.
And the final answer is 3 and 2/3. Ngayon, alam mo na kung paano mag-add ng mixed number with similar fraction. Ngayon naman, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-subtract ng mixed number with similar fraction. Example number 1.
6 and 3 over 5 minus 2 and 1 over 5. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, yung dalawang proper fraction natin na 3 over 5 at 1 over 5 ay pareho ang denominator. So kung pareho ang denominator, ang gagawin lang natin is to subtract the whole numbers, which is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. And then, subtract the numerators. Okay, 3 minus 1. Then, the next step is to copy the common denominator. The common denominator is 5. So, we just copy 5. Okay, and then simplify. We now have 4. 3 minus 1 is 2 over 5. And the final answer is 4 and 2 over 5. Okay, number 2 example. We have 8 and 17 over 24 minus 6 and 9 over 24. Observe natin yung fraction natin, yung proper fraction, pareho sila ng denominator which is 24. So, ang gagawin lang natin is to subtract ang whole numbers. So, we have 8 minus 6 is 2. And then, the next step is subtract their numerators. So, 17 minus 9. And then, copy the common denominator. The common denominator is 24. And then, simplify. Now, we have 2. 17 minus 9 equals 8 over 24. Now, we have 2 and 8 over 24. Since 8 and 24 ay my common factor, so we need to simplify. We find the lowest term of 8 and 24. Okay, let's continue. We have 2 and 8 over 24. Then, 2 and 8 over 24, we are going to find the greatest common factor of 8 and 24. Then, to find the greatest common factor, we need to factor 8 and 24. Factor of 8 is 2 times 2, 4 times 2 equals 8. Factor of 24, we have 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. Kukunin natin yung mga common factor ng 8 and 24. The common factor, 2, another 2, and then, again, 2. Okay, and then, multiply natin yung tatlong factors na common ng 8 and 24. 2 times 2, 4 times 2 equals 8. So, ang GCF natin is equal to 8. The greatest common factor. Ito yung i-divide natin doon sa 8 over 24. We just copy the whole number 2. And then 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Therefore, the final answer is 2 and 1/3. Okay, so that is how to add and subtract mixed numbers with similar fractions.